Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best spiralizers. So let's get started. Number 7. Paderno World Cuisine. If you're looking for a spiralizer that will serve all your needs, try this one from Paderno. It has 4 different blades for cutting a variety of thicknesses, from as thin as angel hair to wide ribbons. This model cuts the entire vegetable, so there's no core removed from the center. The coreless cutting is great for vegetables that don't have an undesirable core, like carrots, beets, or young zucchini, but it's not as great for fruits with a seedy core, like apples or cucumbers that have a soft core that might not cut well. Furthermore, the thinnest angel hair blade had trouble with softer produce, our tester notes. Still, the other blades cut equally well on all the produce she tested. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Tabletop Spiralizer. If you want to spend a bit less, this spiralizer from OXO is a great choice. It includes blades for small and larger noodles, as well as a blade for wide ribbons. When cutting, a small core of the fruit or vegetable is left uncut, which is great when it's desirable to discard the core. If that center is usable, you can still cut it with a knife or set it aside for another recipe. Our tester found the tool very easy and smooth to use, adding, "I never felt like we were having to use force to get tougher vegetables spiralized." The blades are different bright colors, for ease in telling them apart, and let's face it, it's just more fun than an all-white gadget. Number 5. ZYLISS Vegetable Spiralizer. If you're not sure you'll love spiralizing, it makes sense to start with a modestly priced tool. This one comes with 2 blades, so you can cut either ribbons or spirals, and it's just about foolproof. Just insert the vegetable in the top and twist the pusher. The body and the pusher are both threaded, and the pusher follows the threads on the holder, so there is no need to push while turning. Our tester does warn that she needed to grip the holder tightly for the pusher to engage with the threads on the holder. This design leaves a lot less uncut vegetable bits than some other spiralizer designs, and it also keeps your fingers safely away from the sharp blades during use. Number 4. KitchenAid Spiralizer Plus. If you'll be spiralizing large quantities of everything in sight, this attachment to KitchenAid stand mixers can take most of the work out of the task. It includes 3 spiralizing blades and 3 ribbon or slicing blades in different thicknesses, as well as a peeling blade so you can peel and cut produce at the same time, or just peel, if that's all you need. Our tester was momentarily concerned that she'd made more work for herself using the peeler, but she didn't need to worry. She found that the peeled section was one long string that was simple to remove. Number 3. Good Grips Handheld Spiralizer. If you want to use spiralized vegetables as salad ingredients, or as a garnish rather than making them a regular part of the main course, this little handheld spiralizer can make quick work of a zucchini or cucumber. If you're planning on spiralizing a family's worth of ZYLISS for dinner on a regular basis, it could get a little tedious cutting that much by hand all the time. Since it's small, this gadget stores easily. The blades are recessed into a cup-like section, and there's a handle that grips the food, so fingers can stay safely away from the blades during use, and the handle acts as a cap for the spiralizer during storage, keeping the pieces together and the blades protected. Number 2. Joyce Chen Spiral Slicer. For those with kids who like to help out in the kitchen, this spiralizer is one of the safest, since the cutting mechanism is fully enclosed during operation. It also has an attached container for catching the fruit or vegetable noodles once they've been spiralized. It cuts the entire vegetable with no center core. There are only 2 cutting options, with spiralizing blades on one side of the cutting surface and a ribbon cutting blade on the opposite side of the cutting surface. It's not as versatile as other units that come with multiple blades, but it's fine for making zoodles if that's all you're interested in, and it can be stored fully assembled, so there are no loose parts to lose. Number 1. Handheld Spiralizer Vegetable Slicer. Another great option for those looking for a handheld model is this $10 Spiralizer from Adoric. It has over 800 ratings on Amazon, while still maintaining a 4.2-star rating. Unlike the OXO model, it features 3 different types of blades for more variety. My spirals look great, and this product is easier to use than I thought it was going to be. I like that it is also small and doesn't take up a bunch of valuable cupboard space, says one reviewer.